Good day po, teachers! Welcome back po dito sa Learning Pal kung saan po tayo nag-share ng latest DepEd news and updates and free learning resources. So ito nga po, meron po tayong update about loan moratorium na binigay po ng City Savings Bank and China Bank Savings. Kung maalala po natin, teachers, naglabas po ng guidelines on the loan moratorium implementation ang ating department, DepEd, at kung mapapansin po natin, sa Annex E, andun po ang China Bank Savings at City Savings Banks. So, saan po sila under? So, ito po yung list of members of Chamber of Thrift Banks. So, mag-grant daw sila ng loan moratorium through refund, will collect interest, and then you will coordinate with concerned banks for their process for applying for refund. So, kailangan po natin makipag-ugnayan sa bank regarding po sa ating loan moratorium na i-avail. So, unahin po natin yung City Savings. So, sabi po rito, moratorium announcement. Ito na po yung details na kailangan natin malaman para makapag-avail po ng loan moratorium with City Savings Bank. At kailangan na po i-avail to using the form na binigyan nila dito po sa screen. So, mamaya po, bibigay ko po itong link sa description po ng video at doon po sa comment section para madali po tayo makapag-fill up kung gusto po natin mag-avail ng moratorium ng City Savings Bank. So, paano po tayo makaka-avail? So, nakalagay po rito, filling of the DepEd loan moratorium is completely optional. If eligible, you must inform City Savings Bank if you would like to avail of this moratorium. So, kailangan po natin magsabi po sa kanila. The refund shall be equivalent to 1 month of your principal amortization amount. This will be credited directly to your savings account. So, ano po ang mga kailangan at mga kondisyon para makapag-avail ng loan moratorium po sa City Savings? So, first, you are residing in calamity-stricken areas based on the list provided by the Department of Education. So, kung maalala po natin, ito po yung list po, na binigay po ng DepEd, Ito po, yung mga list of areas. And then, next po is, you are no more than 65 years old. Your loan account is current and no past dues. Your loan account must have been opened prior to December 1, 2024. You have not availed of a reloan on or after December 1, 2024. So, clear po yan, teachers? How much will you get if you avail of the DepEd loan moratorium? So, this will depend on the principal amount of the previous month's amortization. So, kailangan po natin maipag-ugnayan sa ating banks. When can you avail of the DepEd loan moratorium? You may avail the moratorium from January to March 2025. The refund will be credited to your savings account in 5 banking days after form submission and receiving confirmation of your loan moratorium eligibility from City Savings. Take note po yan, teachers, from January to March, pwede po tayo mag-avail nito pong DepEd loan moratorium. Okay? So, mamaya po bibigay ko po yung link, para po makapag-fill up po tayo ng form. Next po is, ito pong update about China Bank Savings. So, January 20, 2025. So, as part of our assistance to customers in those areas officially declared as calamity-stricken, China Bank Savings will offer an optional, so again, this is an optional month-long loan moratorium refund. So, loans for Department of Education, teachers, and staff. Eligible borrowers may apply for the optional refund from January also to March 2025. So, parehas po ng City Savings Bank. So, ito po yung mas detailed na description po na binigay nila. Moratorium is optional. And then, China Bank Savings shall be responsible for informing the borrower eligibility criteria, instructions, and required documentation. CBS will provide 1 month amortization for loan moratorium to be implemented in, ito po, another condition officially declared as calamity-stricken since September 2024. So, kailangan po, andun po yung lugar natin sa list po na binigay po ng DepEd on payments for loans granted starting December 2024. So, almost parehas po sa City Savings Bank. So, thankful po tayo sa development na to. And hopefully, marami pong teachers na talagang badly needed na mag-avail nito pong loan moratorium. At yung mga di naman po is thankful din po tayo dahil kaya pa po natin bayaran ang ating loan. So, yun lang po muna teachers ang ating update. And please subscribe po for more DepEd updates. At kung meron po kayong gusto itanong sa mga iba pong mga PLIs and ating different lending institutions, ay ilagay lang po niya sa inyong comment section. At susubukan po natin sagutin lahat po yan. So, maraming salamat po.